In 1978, a $6 million airport heist was so perfectly planned that the crew knew exactly which guards would be working that night. The Lufthansa cargo warehouse at JFK Airport was supposed to be secure, but Jimmy Burke's crew had something better than luck. They had inside information. A cargo worker told them everything. Which warehouse, which day, even the guards' schedules. On December 11th, they walked in like they owned the place. $5.8 million in cash, $875,000 in jewelry, gone in minutes. It should have been the perfect crime, but Jimmy Burke had a problem. Too many people knew about the heist, so he started killing them, one by one. The inside man, dead. Crew members, dead. Anyone who could talk, dead. Burke's paranoia created a trail of bodies that led straight back to him. Henry Hill, fearing for his life, flipped to the FBI. His testimony didn't just solve the heist, it exposed decades of mob operations. The perfect crime, destroyed by the very thing that made it possible: greed.